What it means crop recommendations. So here nowadays the farmers often faces that challenge like selecting the suitable crops for the cultivations. So here we are training the models and it will predict based on the nutrition, weather conditions and the other environment factors. The best suitable crops will be get predicted. So here we are using machine learning. So in machine learning we are using so here we are using 10 modules in the machine learning like logistic regression, SVC, like support vector classifier, KNN decision tree classifier, extra T classifier, and gradient boost classifier. Like that, we are using 10 modules here. So based on that, we get predict and output. So this is our block diagram. So first we need to collect the data sets. After that, we will pre-process that. So and then we'll train the module. So these are the 10 modules we are training. So in this best module, which is giving high accuracy based on that our prediction will be like logistic regression, Gaussian NB, SVC, an inverse classifier, decision tree classifier, extra T classifier, random forest classifier, bagging classifier, gradient boosting classifier, and ADA boost classifier. Like this, we are using 10 modules. So in this, which is giving high accuracy, that will predict the answer we get. This is our trying code. So first we need to import the required libraries. So after that, we need to load the data sets from the CSV files into the Pandas data frame. And we are using label encoding, which is nothing but machine learning understood the numerical values. So it will skip the variables like rice, maize, oat, like that. So based on that rice, it will take one. So if it is nice, it will take two. For that, we are label encoding here. So and then we are splitting the data. So here X as a variable and Y as a target. And then we are splitting 20% for the test and then 80% for the trainings. And we are using the future scaling, min-max scaler, which is nothing but zeros and ones. And standard scalars, 0 means mean and 1 means variance. So this is our model. So at last we are printing the accuracies of the model, which is giving high accuracy. It will take and based on that will get predicted. So we are choosing best model here, and by using .pkl file, we are saving the best modules. So for example, we are predicting here like 828, 38. So based on these values, we get the crop output. So this is our app file. So here just I created one for predictions for nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, temperature, humidity, PHP level, and PHP values and rainfall. So based on this input, we'll get the output. So this is our web page. Like it is asking input for the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, temperature, humidity, and we'll give everything here. So this is our data set. Based on this, we give our input and we'll check whether it is predicting correct or wrong. So first I'm giving these rights. So here it is the recommendation crop is rice.